How to record a video in MP4 format in Android. First thing you have to do is simply head over to your camera. And once you open up your camera, what you need to do is swipe left to the video section or wherever your video is on your Android. And usually what you can do is tap on the settings menu at the top left. And once you land on these settings, you can, if this is turned on where it says high efficiency videos, if this is turned on, then the videos will be saved in HEVC format. So if this is turned on, let me just and then here I have stopped the video. So what happens now is if I go to this video right here, and now if I just tap on its details by tapping top 3 lines, and then tap on its details or just swipe up to see its details, then you should be able to see that the video is not on MP4 format. So in order to save it before, you just need to turn off the GVC. So go ahead and turn this one off. And if you record default, it will be recorded on the MP4 format. So as you can see now, this video has been recorded in MP4 format. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.